Good morning, Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley. We're taking a live look outside across Margaritaville, Fort Myers Beach here this morning on what is a beautiful Sunday morning. Partly sunny skies. Temperatures this morning starting out in the mid-70s for us. Northeasterly winds at 5 miles an hour at this time. Temperatures across the board, kind of a mixed bag. 60s, 70s up in Port Charlotte, Arcadia. A little bit warmer further south into the mid-70s, even upper 70s out towards the lake. But we are looking at pretty clear skies here in Southwest Florida, though we do have a couple of spot showers, Fort Pierce over towards Fort Lauderdale for us this morning. But we do expect as we move through the next couple hours, we will see more of that sunshine become, we'll say, more partly sunny, partly cloudy, and temperatures warm up into the upper 80s. So we're also going to be tracking a couple afternoon showers, storms for us. So temperatures today peaking out 89 degrees Arcadia, 88 Punta Gorda, 88 down in Naples for us. We're also expecting a pretty steady breeze out of the east. Unlike yesterday, I don't think we'll hit 30, 35 mile-an-hour gusts, but probably still 20, 25 as we headed towards this evening. That means seas today is going to be closer to about 2 to 4 feet. Choppy conditions on those inland waterways, and a small craft advisory in effect until 8 o'clock here tonight. And speaking of tonight, we do expect some showers around. Those showers that we are expecting this afternoon lingering here tonight until about 1, 2 o'clock, and then dropping down to about 74 degrees heading in towards your Monday. Monday itself, we are going to be expecting a cold front coming in the afternoon. Still not going to change temperatures a whole lot. This is going to be bringing us a couple showers and then that push of dry air, the first push of dry air, I should say, of the week. So let's track this out for you here. Here is 3 o'clock. You can see isolated shower storms for us. And then as you get into about 8, 9 o'clock here, watching off to the north there, Sarasota, Port Charlotte, up towards Arcadia for some of those heavier downpours. And that'll push down into Lee County and out towards Glades and Hendry as we head in towards the early morning hours. So don't be surprised if you wake up to a wet lawn. Monday morning, though, otherwise looking at pretty quiet conditions till about 3 o'clock. Then those showers form up along the cold front, and then we'll see that push on through with those showers moving out towards the East Coast. But we are expecting some decent rainfall totals out there, especially under some heavier downpours up to the north there. Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda could see maybe an inch or two. So we'll see how that all plays out. But I do expect rain chances today into tomorrow, and then quieter weather the rest of the week here. So let's kind of walk you through why that is. So a little dry air still out there this morning, and then that first front comes on through and moistens up that atmosphere there today and tomorrow, again bringing in those rain chances. And then there's that cold front bringing in that push of dry air for us, that first push of dry air. And then we have a stronger front coming in Wednesday, and this is not only going to reinforce that dry air, it's going to bring in the coolest temperatures of the season just in time for Halloween. It's also going to kick Hurricane Melissa out and away from us, and that's why it's not a threat to us here in Southwest Florida. Speaking of Melissa, rapid intensification went underway the last 24 hours, going from a tropical storm down to a major Category 4 hurricane as of 8 o'clock this morning with 140 mile-an-hour winds gusting to 165. Still moving off to the west at 5 miles an hour, so just south of Jamaica, about 120 miles south of Jamaica, Kingston area. So we do expect now Melissa to reach 160 mile-an-hour winds. That's Category 5 strength. That's as bad as it gets, folks, for those friends in Jamaica. And we do expect a direct landfall in Jamaica, maybe some weakening right at landfall there. We'll see. And then gets back into open water there by Tuesday. And then another landfall expected there Tuesday night in Cuba. And then back into the Bahamas, still maybe as a 2-3 there Wednesday and Thursday. So a lot of landmass impacted, a lot of folks impacted by this, and likely, unfortunately, this will be a deadly storm system for the Caribbean. And you can see in our Futurecast model, there is Melissa making landfall 5 p.m. tomorrow night. So they're going to be dealing with Jamaica, dealing with Melissa for another 48 hours plus. And then there's that landfall in Cuba there Tuesday morning, 10 o'clock, and then up into the Bahamas from there as we head in towards Wednesday morning. So it is, again, a very impactful storm. If you're just looking at rainfall potential, we're talking feet of rain potentially between what's already fallen and what's still to come here. And remember, this is very mountainous terrain. That means flash floods and mudslides to go along with that storm surge and the wind potential. So again, very dangerous storm down there in the Caribbean. Luckily for us, watching that cold front kicking that away from us, and then with that frontal boundary, again, bringing in some of the coolest temperatures we've seen in a while. Highs in the 70s as we head into Halloween. Look at that, 57 degrees Halloween night, heading in towards your Saturday next week.